Hi there, music enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock your musical potential? Welcome to WKMT London, where your musical journey begins. Imagine this: personalized lessons tailored just for you. Whether you're into classical symphonies or jazz improvisation, our expert instructors will guide you every step of the way. At WKMT, it's more than just lessons, it's about discovering your unique musical voice. With one-on-one instruction, masterclasses, and integration into London's vibrant music scene, you'll be immersed in a world of musical growth. Picture yourself playing in state-of-the-art facilities, surrounded by passionate musicians just like you. From beginners to advanced students, we've got courses for all levels and ages. Piano, music theory, composition, keyboard harmony, jazz, improvisation, and more. It's all here. And if you're aiming for official examinations like ABRSM or Trinity, don't worry, we've got you covered. Our experienced tutors will ensure you're well prepared and confident. But it's not just about learning, it's about being part of a community. Participate in enriching musical events, showcase your talent in public performances, and connect with fellow musicians. WKMT is set in the heart of London's cultural milieu, offering you a unique blend of tradition and innovation. Here, music is more than a skill. It's a journey of personal growth and expression. So why wait? Start your musical adventure with WKMT today and discover the joy of making music. Your unique musical voice is waiting to be heard. Join us at WKMT London, where music comes to life. End with a warm, inviting tone. See you soon!